Anthony from Horsepower Research. Today we're going to be talking about our Dart Windage tray mounting kit. You can already see a set we've got mounted on this SHP block. Now, we've had a lot of questions online, email, and phone. People asking, why do I need it? These are already super beefy blocks. Why should I use it? I see you offer a 4-piece and a 5-piece. Which one do I need? So, let's take a look at the issue at hand. Here we've got another Dart block. This is an aluminum full skirt LS block. Incredibly beefy billet steel splayed 4-bolt main cap design. Great for strength. Does leave a little bit of an issue for the at-home mechanic or even the shop when you wanted to do a full build on one of these going in a production car. If we were doing a dry sump pan, no problem. Typically there's no real windage tray needed, and you certainly don't have to worry about an oil pump pickup tube. But most of these guys are going in production cars. What do? I need to get one of those guys on here. Well, let's take a look. Here, I've got a Corvette version, 5-bolt mounting kit. So, well, it fits in between the pan rails. What am I supposed to do? How am I supposed to mount this? Now, there are a couple kits that you may find online to modify these pans, and you can get the tray to fit on it, but there's no place still for a nice, robust pickup tube. You go look at the OE block, as you'll find here with a set of ARPs. It's even shimmed up because we've got a stroker in this one. They typically bolt right down. Usually you got to drill this guy out because this one got ARPs on it for a little bit more room. If you need to put a oil pump pickup tube, all locations in the world, just like stock, and away it goes. So that brings us back to our problem. How am I supposed to do that on this block? Well, glad you asked. Because we can take this guy off, go over here to ours. Again, we've already got all 5 locations bolted down, 5/16 hardware, torques down to 15 foot-pounds. Everybody stays in place. You take your OE windage tray, done. Of course, you will put washers and nuts down, mount these guys down tight, just like you would with the ARPs. And we also have a location for your pickup tube. Solid design, billet aluminum, not going to move, gives you every mounting location. Your tray stays rigid, it's not going to bend, flex on you, gives you every mounting location for every OEM pickup tube. They are already a little thicker, so no real needs for washers on most setups. We do recommend you always check it. Same thing with your pickup tube height. You will want to check that and make sure you've got adequate pickup clearance, but nothing to fabricate, nothing to worry about. Bolts on just like OE. Thanks for watching.